Imagine creating content, art, or even entire videos in seconds. In this video, we'll uncover the top 5 generative AI tools that are redefining creativity in 2024. First up is ChatGPT, an AI powerhouse by OpenAI. Whether you're writing blogs, debugging code, or even just having a casual conversation, ChatGPT is here to assist. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it incredibly versatile. From drafting emails to writing complex code or brainstorming ideas for your next big project, ChatGPT is your go-to tool. It can help you with a wide range of tasks, making your life easier and more productive. From casual users to developers, it's transforming workflows across the globe. Imagine collaborating with your team seamlessly, or getting instant feedback on your work. The possibilities are endless with ChatGPT. Get started for free at OpenAI.com. Sign up today and explore the future of AI-driven communication and productivity. Don't miss out on this revolutionary tool that's changing the way we work and interact. Next, meet DALL. Type a simple prompt and watch as this tool transforms your ideas into breathtaking images. Perfect for artists, marketers, or anyone looking to visualize creativity. Prompt: a futuristic city at sunset. Gorgeous artwork generated instantly. Want Hollywood-level video effects without the cost? Runway ML is here. It's a cutting-edge tool for AI-powered video editing, background removal, and creating visual effects in just a few clicks. Creators, this one's for you. Struggling with writing? Finding it hard to get your ideas down on paper or screen? You're not alone. Many writers face this challenge daily. Jasper AI has your back. This powerful tool is designed to help you overcome writer's block and streamline your writing process. From creating catchy ad campaigns to full-length blogs, Jasper AI can handle it all. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. Jasper's precision and speed make it a favorite for marketers and content creators. It helps you produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Prompt: write a Facebook ad for a coffee shop. Engaging ad copy in seconds. Just type in your prompt and watch Jasper create compelling content instantly. Finally, we have Synthesia. Create professional videos with AI avatars that speak in multiple languages. Perfect for training videos, explainer content, or presentations. No camera? No problem. A realistic avatar presenting a product demo, generated in minutes. These AI tools aren't just futuristic, they're here, and they're changing the game. From enhancing your artistic skills to streamlining your workflow, these tools offer endless possibilities. Which tool will you try first? Will it be an AI art generator, a smart coding assistant, or a creative brainstorming app? Let us know in the comments and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights. Stay tuned for the latest updates and innovations.